Hello, this is George Senda, the real, official, original, authentic, one and only, the guy from Pittsburgh, and I'm going to be trying Healthy Ones, Deli Thin Slice Variety Pack, Honey Ham, Water Added, and Oven Roasted Turkey Breast with white turkey meat, no artificial flavors, no added fillers, no artificial colors. So, extra lean, certified by the American Heart Association. So, okay, this one is the sourdough, Beckman sourdough. And you can see here you got turkey ham, you got honey ham, and the last of my mustard, the last of my relish, and a packet of mayonnaise. So I'm going to try this. I ate 4 tacos earlier, but I didn't eat all day. If I had more mustard and mayonnaise and relish, it would taste better. But that's very good, what I can taste of it. On the 31st, I go get mustard, ketchup, relish, pickles, mayonnaise, so I can make a proper sandwich. All right, this is the German, Beckman's German farm bread. I don't think I've ever had this. I've eaten a lot of pumpernickel, a lot of Kommelsbrot, a lot of German brown bread. I don't think I've ever had this. This has the turkey meat on it. There's the turkey meat. So let's give this a shot. Very good bread, very soft, tasty. Very thick, kind of hard. It's hard to chew because it's got very crusty. Not hard crust, just a lot of it. Turkey's very good. Mm. Well, the bread is good. I'll still prefer my sourdough. So, turkey's very good. I like the ham a little better. I have a lot of canned tuna fish and chicken. So, eating out, I may have to borrow some mayonnaise mustard from my neighbor. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. It is 13 minutes to 8 Pacific Daylight Time. Got the door open. Picked up Fuzzy to cuddle her. She went raw after a while, wanted down. Fluffy came in for a third time to eat. Went outside again. So I'm going to finish this, have a cup of coffee, lie down for about 15 minutes, and go feed the cats. I need to rest for a few minutes, and then I'm going to go to bed. And then in the morning, I will tackle the kitchen floor, pick everything up. I don't know what I'm going to do with what I bought, because it looks like the Astrodome. It is huge, sitting on my cutting board. I know it'll fit in the oven, but it's awfully big. All right, you'll see that in the video when it's posted, what I bought today, the haul video. Have a great night. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be. Stay dry and warm particularly, and stay safe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye-bye for now, and back to the sandwiches.